I am tired of seeing crappy gaming laptops on sale and people asking me to review them. I've already reviewed a few of them and today I wanted to talk about the ones that are actually worth buying under 90,000. The reason for this video is simple. Most of what you see in this price range is garbage. We're talking underpowered GPUs, no mux switch, terrible displays and no upgrade path. But the LOQ 2024 lineup is different. Reason number one is performance. It's the only brand offering RTX 4050 at full 105 watt TGP, whereas other laptops like Victus 75 watt, Nitro V 75 watt, Asus V16, it says 65 watts but it barely hits 55 watts in real world gaming. Watch this video if you want to know how bad Asus V16 actually is. Then we have Asus stuff, good but never in stock. Reason number two is complete gaming package. So if you're spending up to 90,000 on a gaming laptop, you deserve all the great features. I love LOQ laptops in this regard. You're getting all the important features like mux switch, also known as advanced Optimus, displays with 100% sRGB and G-Sync support, great thermals, solid build quality and pre-installed MS Office. Reason number 3 is upgradability. In a world where HP Victus or Asus V16 give you just one M.2 slot, LOQ laptops give you dual M.2 slots so that you can upgrade your laptop and make it last longer. Reason number 4 is the price. Remember that you get all these amazing specs at really great prices. So my top 2 picks are these LOQs with Core i5 and Ryzen 7 8845HS. The one with the 7435HS is not the best CPU for gaming as of now, as it's a rebranded Ryzen 7 6800HS, which is quite older now, but if you let go of comparisons, it's still excellent for creators, animators, Blender professionals, DaVinci users and all other GPU based workflows. Finally, yes, there were motherboard issues in early units, but Lenovo fixed that after August 2024, so you're good now. These are the only laptops under 90,000 that give you real gaming performance, and I don't think any better laptops will be coming this year, so if you want to buy one, the links are in the description. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and good luck.